Here is Garmin Messenger app. So how to install it on iPhone? So just tap Get and double click to install. You should be able to use it. So the idea is that you can stay connected with friends and family. So pair with your compatible inReach satellite communicator for fast, easy direct messages and interactive, so that's not limited to cell phone coverage areas. The app supports group messaging as well as direct communication with individuals. Automatic switching between internet, cellular, and satellite networks gives you the best connectivity and efficiency for all your messaging. When you have connectivity, the app will work seamlessly, even if your inReach device is turned off. So invite your friends and family to download the app to stay connected and keep the conversation going on and off the trail. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, and then you can just of course you can use any messenger app, but this is specifically for Garmin inReach devices. And then you just need to create an account. And it can enable permissions, give access to contacts, notifications, and then you need to pair an inReach device in settings in top left, and then just tap add device and then search for device. Make sure a device is powered on. inReach devices should be in pairing mode. So that's what you have, your account. You can also use a Garmin account. So that's another one. And then, yeah, you will be able to message with the device and then just send messenger. So wherever you're on a hike, on a trip somewhere, on a boat trip, whatever, then you can just use this app, synced with your phone. So yeah, pretty cool app and idea. So super easy to use. So try it out.